Hey, this is Studio at Home, and today, noise reduction in Davinci Resolve. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix a video with amount of noise applying noise reduction. Let's go to color section, right click on the first node and add a series node before. Now we go to the motion effects panel. First thing, temporal noise reduction. Select the frames, in this case 5. We change the mode from faster to better. In motion rate section, this depends of your camera movement. If too much, select large or medium. In temporal threshold, increase it between 20 and 50. Create another node and add a special noise reduction. Select better. And here we raise the chroma 20 or 30.